And our top focus of this hour is on Cyclone Finchal that completed the landfall process at around 2 a.m. today as it crossed the Tamil Nadu coast between Karaikal and Mahabalipuram. It will move west-southwestwards slowly and weaken gradually into a deep depression during the next few hours. Cyclone triggered heavy rainfall and strong winds over coastal districts in North Tamil Nadu, flooding low-lying areas and disrupting flights as well as train services in Chennai. Now, unfortunately, 3 people also died in rain-related incidents in Chennai, and multiple flights to and from Chennai were affected, and the authorities issued travel advisories for flyers amid the continuing heavy rains. Additionally, Chennai Airport suspended all its operation until today 4 a.m. and has now resumed operations after the landfall process has been completed.
Heavy rains lashed Puducherry because, as the IMD also stated, the landfall happened near to Puducherry, which means Puducherry had the maximum impact. There were heavy rains and extremely heavy gutsy winds that was blowing, which has turned the union territory of Puducherry upside down. Like you can see, roads have completely inundated, waterlogged, and you can see cars literally submerged according to their heights in the water. I am here standing in water that is hip deep. I can ask my camera person to zoom in so that you can see how people on the other end are literally walking, struggling in hip deep water. The lady right in front of us is literally taking a bicycle along with her. She's pushing her bicycle, which is clearly submerged at this point of time. It is not even visible anymore. It is that deep in water. People are very struggling to come out, and we can see people standing all over the top floors of several buildings because all of their houses which is in the ground floors are all inundated with water, and they're not able to stay there, and they've all moved to floors upside. It definitely looks very scary at this point, though the rains have stopped, but still predictions say that this cyclone Finchal, according to IMD, is still stationed near Puducherry, though they are stating that it will move southwards, but still it is not moved. For the past 6 hours, apparently the cyclone is still stationed near Puducherry, which is still an alert that has been issued for Puducherry because it's already in a very bad and pathetic state, and if the rains or if the winds are going to continue, then it could even worsen the situation. And that is why people here demand help, people here seek for help so that they go to safer places if at all Cyclone Finchal is to bring more additional rains or more additional damage to the Union Territory of Puducherry.